Have you ever wanted to make your photos look like they are dissolving into particles? Today I will show you how to create a dispersion effect with PhotoDirector. Just open the app, click on Edit, choose your image you would like to work with, and then go to Effects. Here you can find Live, and then click on Dispersion. Then you can find a small pencil on the left, click on it, you can even adjust its size, and you can choose the parts you would like to dissolve, and basically that's it. But you can also choose the shape of the particles and also the size of them. You can increase or make them smaller, change the direction. Yes, it's better this way. The mode, yeah, the stretch as well, the fade, and even the speed. If you are satisfied, click on the check mark, make it a video. In our case, you can choose the aspect ratio or even make it a GIF, or choose the quality and adjust duration. If you are ready with it, don't forget to save your file. Have a nice day.